Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix camera app that's crashing on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and what are we going to do is we're going to clear the camera app cache and storage. So to do that, we need to open up the settings. Once you're in the settings, you should go over into apps. And in the apps, you should click on see all apps. Here, you need to scroll to the letter C and you should see your camera. Once you're in the camera settings, we're going to go to storage and cache. As you guys can see, 2.56 gigabytes used. And most of that is, of course, the app size, which is almost 2 gigabytes. But the user data here is 1 gigabyte and cache is only 12. So after we click on clear storage, we're going to go to delete it. And the cache is automatically deleted too. So now all that's left is the app size. What are we going to do here is we're going to relaunch the app, and it will also ask us for the device's location again. So you can give it, or you just don't need to allow it. To be honest, I always allow it because I want my pictures to have the location in them. Now we're going to click done, and as you guys can see, we can do pretty much everything. If it's still not working for you though, what you guys want to do is go to settings again, and now the user data and cache is back. So of course it will be back. We're going to delete it once again, and here we're going to click on force stop, click OK, and now the app is force stopped. Here we're going to open it again, and if it's not working for you, then as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software. So go over into the settings and leave the apps. Now scroll down until you see system and tap on software updates at the top. We're going to tap on system update, and it is checking for updates automatically. Of course, we can check manually too, and make sure that you're on the latest version just like me. It's very important. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.